V-K66 is a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that doesn't skimp on features. It has a sturdy build quality, with a metal top plate and PBT keycaps. The switches are hot-swappable, so you can easily customize the typing feel to your liking. The keyboard also has a variety of lighting effects, which can be customized using the included software. If you're looking for a great mechanical keyboard on a budget, the V-K66 is a solid option. It's built to last and has all the features you need for gaming or typing. Plus, it's backed by Woomier's reputation for quality products.